Join me as I dig through my spare change to see if my 1980 penny could be a real treasure. The possibility that your 1980 penny could be a rare treasure might seem far-fetched, but what if I told you that there are certain circumstances that could make it a valuable find? There are countless stories of people stumbling upon rare coins in their change, and it's not impossible that you could be one of them. When it comes to identifying whether your 1980 penny is indeed rare, it can be so challenging. There are so many common misconceptions out there about what makes a coin rare, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of thinking you found something valuable. The truth is, many people think they have a rare coin just because it's old, but age alone is not enough to make it rare. Another common mistake people make is assuming that a coin is rare just because it's in good condition. While condition can certainly play a role in a coin's value, it's not the only factor. In fact, some coins that are in poor condition can still be incredibly valuable due to their rarity. So, what should you be looking out for when it comes to your 1980 penny? The first thing is to check is the mintage or the number of coins that were produced. If the mintage was low, the coin could be more valuable. You should also check for any errors or variations in the coin's design or production process. This can make a coin more rare and valuable. One of the most fascinating things about the 1980 penny is its mintage. With over 7 billion coins produced, it's hardly a rare find. However, there are some variations of the coin that can make it more valuable. For example, some 1980 penny were produced with a copper coating while others were made with a zinc core. These differences can make certain coins more rare and valuable than others. In addition to the variations in the coin's composition, there are also some errors that can occur during the production process. For example, some coins may have been misprinted or misaligned, resulting in a unique and rare variation. This error can make a coin incredibly valuable to collectors. Certain coins can also be more valuable due to their condition or provenance. For example, a coin that was once owned by a famous person or was part of a historic event can be more valuable due to its historical significance. Similarly, a coin that is in pristine condition can be more valuable than one that is worn or damaged. So, how can you determine the rarity of your 1980 penny? One of the best ways is to consult with experts in the field of coin collecting. They can examine your coin and give you an idea of its value and rarity. You can also research notable stories of rare 1980 pennies to get an idea of what they're worth. In addition to consulting with experts, you can also look for certain key features that can indicate a coin's rarity. For example, certain coins may have a specific mint mark or error that can make them more valuable. By doing your research and knowing what to look for, you can increase your chances of finding a rare and valuable 1980 penny. In conclusion, the possibility that your 1980 penny could be a rare treasure is not entirely impossible. By understanding what makes a coin rare, knowing what to look for, and consulting with experts, you can increase your chances of finding a valuable and rare coin. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Do you have a 1980 penny that you think might be rare? Let me know. If you are new here, consider subscribing for more videos on coin collecting and other fun topics. I remain VT somewhere.